Welcome back. My name is Jacob. I'm a student of the scriptures and their original languages, and today we're going to take a look at beginner-friendly Hebrew vocabulary, specifically from the book of Jonah. We're going to be taking a look at 20 common terms throughout the book of Jonah so that you can get started with your vocabulary list. So with that, our first word is yam. Yam. It's spelled with a yod and a mem. Yam, and this is the sea. Next is onya, spelled with aleph. It's kind of hard to write with this. Nun, yod, hey. Onya, and this is ship. Next up is dog. Dog, spelled dalet, gimel, and this is fish. Next is ir. Ir, with an ayin, yod, and resh. This is city. Next is Elohim. Elohim, with ayin, aleph, lamed, hey, yod, and mem. Elohim is God. Next is Adonai, Yehovah, or Yahweh, spelled yod, hey, vav, hey, and this is often translated the Lord. Next is Ish. Ish. This is aleph, yod, shin, and this is man. Next up is mime. Mime, spelled mem, yod, mem. Fun fact, mime is where the term mem comes from. It's based off of the word for water, and that's where this pictogram comes from, is rolling waves. Mime or mem, water. Next is ruach. Ruach, from resh, vav, chet, spirit, wind, or breath. Kol, which is voice. We have kof, vav, lamed. Kol, voice. Next is gadol. Gimel, dalet, vav, lamed, which is great, like the Ir Gadol, which is the great city. Next is Ra, with a very funny picture emoji over here, in my opinion. We have Resh and Ayin, which is evil. The Ra of the city has gone up before the Lord. Next is Tov, with Tet, Vav, Beit. Tov is good. Katan, Kof, Tet, that was really messy. And this is an ending nu, it's not an ending noon. This is not a vav, but it goes down below this line, which means that it's the ending noon. It is katan, small. Next is yare, yod, resh, aleph. This is fear. Kum, kof, vav, mem, arise. Kum lek, arise and go. This is what is told to Jonah. Next is yarad, go down. Yod, resh, dalet. Yared, go down. We have halak, hey, lamed, and an ending kof. See again, a normal kof would look like this, but instead it goes all the way down to be an ending kof. And so we have halak, walk or go. Next is kara, which is call. Kaf, resh, and ayin. Or excuse me, aleph. I'm distracted by how horrible this looks with a mouse. Call, kara, call. And then we have shuv, sheen. Notice that the marker is on this side, which means it is a sh sound. If it were on this side, it would be a s sound, seen. But it is a sheen, vav, bait, shuv, return. And with that, those are 20 common words found in the book of Jonah to get your vocab list buffed out a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.